Hello and welcome to another demo. This one's of Mojo Portal, which is a content management system. Some of you may know that I use Mojo Portal as a CMS site for golf club clients. I've customized it quite a bit and added things specifically for golf courses. So what I'd like to show you is how to use Mojo Portal for tournament registration, and also how to integrate Mojo with a tournament software package such as EventMan. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and created a new page called Tournaments and Events. This page is blank, so I'm going to add some content to this. And what I want to add is a event calendar. So I'm going to make sure I pick the professional one here. I'm going to put it right in the center. And I'll call this Tournaments and Events. I'm going to create that content. And now when we go to the Tournaments and Events page, we see our event calendar. And we can start adding information in there. Let's go ahead and add an event that requires registration. So I'm going to click on the Add Event button. I'm going to call this the member guest. Whoops. There we go, that's better. We'll say it's from the 12th to the 13th. All-day events, does not repeat. Let's show a map. I don't know, let's assume it's in my hometown here. My new hometown. And we're going to say it does require registration. We're going to allow will pay later registration because this is a private, it could be a private club, for example, and you could bill it directly to your members. However, there is the option to take payments online. Ticket price, member guest, we'll make this $250. We'll try and sell 100 of them. Registration dates, we can change that as well. So we'll do registration up to Friday. And we're going to go ahead and save this. Some of the other things we can add for this tournament are the details. And we can type information in here. Or, ideally, we can cut and paste from Microsoft Word, which is a really nice feature. We can put a summary of the event here, and different settings for the map, the height, the zoom, lots of different information. So we're going to go ahead and save this again. And now we can see our member guest spanning the weekend. And if we click on it, we can see some of the information that we see here that we entered, including the map. Since I'm logged in as an admin, I'm going to log out right now. I'm going to sign out and show you what a regular person would see if they go to the Tournaments and Events page. And all those little icons that we saw before are gone. There are different views. There's a list view, month, week view, day view. Let's go back to the month view. We're going to click on our event, and because we said it requires registration, we're going to click on register for this event. And this is where your members can actually register for the event. You have a quantity, date, start time. When they're signed in, they can go ahead and it will go ahead and capture their member information, fill in a lot of the form information for you automatically. So this is the screen that allows users to register for this particular event. You have all the information that we collect. They have the option to pay right online using a credit card, or to bill it to their member account. So once they're registered, you can log back in as an admin, go back to this page, And there's some management features for the sales management. And this will tell you or show you how many people have registered for a certain event. Um, we have reports, order histories. No one's registered, so we probably won't see anything here, but that's where that would all be. I'm going to create another new page called Tournament Details and show you how you can use EventMan or other tournament software and put that information directly into your website. So I'm going to call this Tournament Details. I'm going to create it under Tournaments and Events. So when I go to my Tournaments and Events page, I see the Tournament Details tab here for the new page I just created under it. So what I'm going to do is add some content here. And I'll just do something real simple and quick. I'll call this member guest registration. Go back to my tournament details page. And what I'm going to do is put information in here from EventMan. So I've got EventMan going here, and I'm going to generate a quick little report called Alphabetic Listing. I'm going to save it as a Word document. This is going to go ahead and create that for me. Okay, and here it is. There's one little trick that we need to do to get this to look good in our web page. It doesn't like the tab so much, so what I'm going to do is highlight it. And I'm going to go to Table. I'm going to turn this into a table. So I'm going to go to Table, Convert, Text to Table, 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to copy it. Whoops. I'm going to select everything and copy it. I'm going to go back to the website. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to paste that into the document, or into the page, excuse me, using my Paste from Word button. This is great. It retains all the formatting. I hit OK. And I'll just back this up a little bit. It's kind of an old one. Let's update that. So when we update our content, we now have all that information right in our web page. So that's a quick demo of using the event calendar for tournament registration and how to integrate tournament software with a content management system such as Mojo Portal. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more demos.